Are you ready for the future of space travel? Imagine a life where leaving Earth to colonize Mars is as routine as flying from New York to Los Angeles. Elon Musk, the visionary behind SpaceX, has been pushing the boundaries of technology and imagination for years, and his plans for the SpaceX Starship are nothing short of revolutionary. The idea of colonizing Mars has been a dream for many, but now, it's on the verge of becoming reality. SpaceX's Starship, a massive spacecraft designed for deep space exploration, will soon change the way we travel, live, and work in outer space. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into what life aboard the Starship might look like, explore the groundbreaking technology that powers it, and give you real insights into how this visionary project is already reshaping space travel as we know it. Elon Musk has always been a man with audacious goals. From launching Tesla's electric cars into space to making reusable rockets a reality, Musk has consistently defied expectations. His ultimate goal is to turn humanity into a multiplanetary species, and SpaceX's Starship is central to that vision. Unlike anything we've seen before, the Starship is designed to carry large numbers of passengers and cargo not just to the Moon, but all the way to Mars. It's a bold undertaking, but Musk's track record of delivering on visionary ideas gives us confidence that this dream will come to fruition. SpaceX has already revolutionized space travel with its reusable Falcon 9 rockets and Dragon spacecraft, which have been successfully transporting cargo and astronauts to the International Space Station, ISS. But the Starship takes everything to the next level. It's not just another rocket, it's a fully reusable space transportation system that consists of two main components: the Super Heavy booster, which provides the initial thrust to break free from Earth's gravity, and the Starship spacecraft, which is designed for long-duration travel, carrying both crew and cargo. The Starship system is designed with a primary goal in mind: to make space travel affordable, routine, and sustainable. Musk's vision for the Starship goes beyond just getting to Mars. He sees it as the foundation for a permanent human presence on other planets. The Starship will serve not only as a spacecraft for interplanetary travel but also as a vehicle for lunar exploration. As part of NASA's Artemis program, the Starship will be used to land astronauts on the Moon, setting the stage for future missions and a sustainable lunar base. The first such mission, scheduled for the coming years, will see astronauts living aboard the Starship for an extended period as they explore the lunar surface and gather crucial data for future missions to Mars. But the excitement doesn't stop at the Moon. Musk's long-term plan is to establish a self-sustaining human colony on Mars, and the Starship will be instrumental in that. The Starship is designed to carry not just astronauts, but large quantities of cargo, equipment, and even the raw materials needed to build infrastructure on Mars. With its massive payload capacity, the Starship will be capable of transporting everything from life support systems to construction materials. Musk has said that the first crewed mission to Mars could happen within the next decade, and the Starship will be the key to making that dream a reality. It's not just about reaching Mars, it's about creating a new home for humanity on another planet. Now, let's talk about what life aboard the Starship might look like. Picture this: it's the year 2045, and you've been chosen to live on Mars for 6 months as part of a pioneering settlement project. You've gone through a rigorous training program, had your physical fitness tested, and learned how to operate in zero gravity. As you board the Starship for the flight, you can't help but feel the excitement build up. The launch is thrilling, and as the Starship shoots off into space, you're pressed into your seat with incredible force. But once you're far enough away from Earth, the weightlessness sets in, and for the first time, you experience true freedom in space. The first day is full of wonder. You quickly realize that life in space is not quite like anything you've experienced before. For starters, there's no getting up in the conventional sense. Instead, you carefully release yourself from the straps that keep you secure in your sleeping capsule. As you float weightlessly through the spacecraft, you make your way to the bathroom, where the real adventure begins. In zero gravity, water forms floating spheres, and you must carefully catch them as they float through the air. Brushing your teeth, washing your face, everything takes on a new challenge when gravity is no longer a factor. But despite the challenges, the Starship's interior is surprisingly comfortable, with modern furnishings that make you feel at home. It's not just a spacecraft, it's a high-tech hotel in space, designed to keep you comfortable and safe during your journey to Mars. As the days pass, you get used to the routine. With up to 100 people aboard the Starship, the flight is not quite as crowded as you might expect. Half of the ship is dedicated to cargo and transport, while the other half is for passengers. The dining area is fully automated, providing you with nutritious meals in convenient tube form. Forget about crumbly cookies and messy snacks, every meal is designed to minimize waste and keep the spacecraft running smoothly. While eating, you can enjoy the view out of the window, though you won't see any stars, just the endless, fascinating blackness of space. One of the most important aspects of life aboard the Starship is staying healthy and fit. Weightlessness can take a toll on your muscles and bones, so physical fitness becomes a crucial part of daily life. You'll spend time in the ship's fitness area, working out on special equipment designed for zero gravity. Your personal trainer will make sure you stay in peak condition during the months-long journey. Every muscle pull feels different in space, and you'll quickly learn how to adapt your workouts to keep yourself fit and strong for the Mars mission. Of course, there's also plenty of time for social interaction and relaxation. The Starship is not just a mode of transportation, it's a community in space. You'll have opportunities to meet fellow travelers, discuss the latest research on Mars, and participate in training courses on spacesuits and daily life on the Red Planet. You'll also have access to the latest communication technology, including a virtual connection to one of the most powerful quantum computers on Earth. Staying in touch with family and friends back on Earth will be easy, and the high-speed internet connection, or what Musk is calling Onboard, will allow you to access all kinds of information while in space. The Starship's life support systems are designed to be self-sustaining for long periods of time. The onboard greenhouse will provide fresh food, and all water and raw materials are recycled in perpetuity. There's even a system in place to produce oxygen and fuels from the raw materials available on Mars, making the journey to Mars cheaper, safer, and more environmentally friendly. The Starship is designed to be a self-contained ecosystem, capable of supporting life for up to a year or more in the event of an emergency. As you continue your journey to Mars, time seems to fly by. Your days are filled with work, leisure, and the anticipation of reaching your destination. There's no sense of isolation or boredom because you're constantly engaged with new ideas and experiences. Your communications with Earth are frequent, and the excitement of setting foot on Mars keeps you motivated. The Starship is more than just a spacecraft, it's a glimpse into the future of space exploration and colonization. And for those of us who dream of living on another planet, it's only a matter of time before that dream becomes a reality. But let's not forget the challenges that SpaceX faces in getting the Starship off the ground. Musk has already encountered setbacks during test flights, with explosions and failures that have set the project back. But instead of being discouraged, Musk sees each failure as an opportunity to improve. Every test flight, every explosion, and every challenge brings him closer to his goal. And with each success, SpaceX moves one step closer to making interplanetary travel a reality. The Starship is just the beginning. Elon Musk is also working on expanding his Dragon spacecraft fleet, which has already proven successful in transporting cargo and astronauts to the ISS. The Dragon 2, or Crew Dragon, is a mini spacecraft capable of carrying up to 7 people. Musk is also developing a larger version called the Dragon XL, designed for lunar missions, and the Red Dragon, which will carry payloads to the surface of Mars. These spacecraft will play a crucial role in supporting NASA's lunar and Mars missions, and they will complement the Starship by providing additional transport options for astronauts and cargo. SpaceX is truly at the forefront of the space race, and Elon Musk is determined to make his vision of a multiplanetary human civilization a reality. The Starship, with its groundbreaking technology and bold ambition, is a key piece of that vision. While we may not yet be boarding starships for a trip to Mars, the journey has already begun. And for those of us who are lucky enough to witness this extraordinary transformation in space travel, it's an exciting time to be alive. SpaceX has already made incredible strides, and with the Starship, it's pushing the boundaries even further. The future of space travel is here, and it's only a matter of time before we're all looking up to the stars, ready to take that leap into the unknown. So, are you ready to join the mission to Mars? Stay tuned because the best is yet to come.